Take a placeholder and apply your colors to the placeholder, and then cure for 60 seconds. Try your best to cut out thin, straight lines. Place a nail strip in the center of the nail. The base of the nail is 2 coats of a beige color. Apply the base gel to the right side of the nail, and then cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin layer of the poking gel color, and then take a plastic cuticle pusher and make a pattern. Do not cure immediately. Wait a little, so the pattern has time to be created on the nail. Apply the stripes you created at the beginning of the video and attach it to the nail. You can use nail glue or foil glue for nails to attach the stripes. Apply top coat on the nail, but don't cure the nail before applying the rhinestones. On this nail, I have already applied the base, and also applied base gel for poking gel. Now apply then white poking gel color. Remember, thin layer, otherwise it will be difficult to make the pattern. On the third nail, the base is 2 coats of a sheer beige color. With the blue color, we are going to make a French manicure, and are going to use the same colors as the stripe on the first nail. To make the nail design pop out more, apply some silver nail glitter. Now the best part of the nail design, some nail decoration. Apply a nail stripe in the middle of the nail, and on the lower part of the nail, apply poking nail gel. Poking gel is a simple technique that creates unique nail designs.